How to create a listing on Airbnb. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can add your listing or add your property for listing on Airbnb. Well, the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up your Airbnb application. You should get an face like this. Tap on the profile option at the bottom right corner of your screen and you should get an face like this. Now here, scroll down below and you can see the hosting option, and under it you can see list your space option, right? You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll get an face like this that says it's easy to get started on Airbnb. All you have to do is tell us about your place, make it stand out, and finish up and publish. So simply tap on get started option. It will take you to the other page that should load up in a couple of minutes. Here, now here you can see I'm on the login page. Now it says tell us about your place. Simply tap on next and let it load up. Now on this page you'll have to choose the option that describes your place. Now whether you are listing in house, a flat, or apartment, barn, bed and breakfast option, boat, cabin, camper van, sorry, or motor van and such, you can see various options. Now if you are just listing in a hotel, you can list hostel. If you are listing your house, you can simply type in house and then tap on next and let it load up again. Once it loads up, you'll have to choose this option that says what type of place will guest have: an entire place, a room, a shared room. So you can select the particular option and then tap on next and go through these steps. Now I'll just prompt you here, where is your location? You want to enter in your location. You can choose the location anywhere you want, this particular option, or you can use your current location as well. And then you want to simply tap on looks good. If you want your Airbnb to show your specific location, you want to simply enable this, and then you want to simply tap on it and here let it load up. Now on this page you can see you'll have to choose how many people can stay here, and does every bedroom has a lock and such options, and prompt through these options, then tap on next again. Now once you have selected the option, you can see you'll get into step 2. On step 2 you'll have to go through the particular prompts again. And once you go through all the steps, your place will be listed if you have typed in your all the details and information on your property correctly. So this way you can create a listing on Airbnb. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.